Hey dear users. Welcome to the Post Timeline tutorial. In this tutorial we'll see how to create date-based and tag-based timelines. To create a date-based timeline, we'll first need to add a post and assign a date and category to it. So we can call the particular category for a date-based timeline. So let's get started and add the date to the timeline post. If we leave the date field as it is without adding the date, it'll automatically set the post to the default date, which is 11/2022. To add a date-based timeline, go to the Page tab. Inside this, you can see Add New option. Click on it. Now you have arrived on the page. Now let's click on the plus icon and add the post timeline shortcode. Now to make the timeline date-based, we'll need to select the date-based option from the tag type in the post timeline shortcode generator. Now we've made all the changes, let's publish this timeline and see how our date-based timeline looks. Congratulations! Here you can see your date-based timeline. That concludes our post timeline tutorial for how to create a date-based timeline. We'll add more exciting timeline tutorials in the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.